In addition to the Agent 007 controller, Angelis Electronics provides a ready selection of control panels for your electronic projects. The 8630 Pilot is our largest, offering a row of 8 switches, each with a red and a green LED indicator for a total of 16 LEDs. It also includes 3 potentiometers and the click feel circuitry. The Pilot is directly plug-in compatible with the Agent 007-P. The 6602 Enigma features 2 rotary encoders with integrated push switches, and 6 additional switches paired with either a red or a green LED indicator. The Enigma also includes a click feel circuitry and is also plug-in ready to use with the 007-E. The -EP can connect to both the Enigma and Pilot control panels together, creating a user interface with 14 switches, 22 LEDs, 3 pots, and 2 rotary encoders with built-in push switches. You can connect it to a serial I/O and 3 analog inputs for complete control. For multidimensional control or selection functions, the 8300 Navigator is available. In addition to the up, down, left, and right buttons, there is a home or center button. And to select additional axes of control, 3 additional function buttons with red or green indicator LEDs. The Navigator includes a click feel circuitry. While it isn't plug-in compatible with the Agent boards, 1 or 2 8300s can be wired to any of the 4 Agent 007 models with a handful of jumper wires. The 4820 Copilot is the little brother of the Pilot, featuring 4 switches and 8 LEDs, paired 2 to each switch. The Copilot includes 2 potentiometers and the click feel circuitry without a driver. Like the Navigator, the Copilot is not instantly plug-in compatible with the Agent processor, but it can be wired to the Agent with a set of jumper wires. The -E and the -P agents can connect to 2 Copilots, 4 Copilots with the 007-EP, and up to 5 Copilots controlled with the model 007-U. There are many possible combinations. Here we have a Copilot and a Navigator panel, both being serviced by an Agent 007-U. The Copilot is also unique in that it is able to be ordered with a single row header connector, so it can be plugged directly into a solderless breadboard for experimental uses. All of our control panels have 10 million cycle switches and can be capped with 7 different colors of keycaps. The click feel relay has a mechanical life of 15 million cycles. The pots have a life rating of at least 10,000 rotations. Each control panel's switches and LEDs can be direct wired 1-to-1 with the processor I/O pins, or multiplexed in groups of 4 switches and 4 or 8 LEDs. Steering diodes are standard on all control panel switch circuits for multiple simultaneous switch presses. Jumpers allow you to isolate ground for any combination of switches, LEDs, or pots. All 4 control panels can be mated to a matching CNC machine anodized aluminum front plate. These plates can be part of a custom enclosure, or the Enigma, Navigator, and Copilot front plates can fit to matching project enclosure that we provide. The Navigator enclosure is made from heavy-duty ABS plastic that can house a wireless transmitter, making it great for wireless remote control projects. All 4 control panel designs are available as a kit for do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Or maybe you wish to customize it with perhaps different colored LEDs. Here, the 4820 uses yellow diodes, and the 8300 using blue diodes. You may also install the LEDs backwards for common anode arrangements instead of the usual common cathode. These control panels were designed with the flexibility to make it easy for e-hobbyists to integrate them with almost any e-project, analog or digital.